let's do a quick room tour. We're at the MGM Grand, and here is our room. We're in the stay well section of the hotel. We got 2 queen-size beds. A little trick that my mom taught me is to get 2 queen-size beds. So one bed, you'll be able to put some of your stuff that you get. You can lay out your clothes or whatever, and then you can sleep on the other bed. So this is the 2 queen stay well room in the MGM Grand. But let's start with the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. So we have sink, and then we have these energizing lights. So it's very bright in here. Hello. And then you can change the setting, and then it'll dim. But we'll just keep it on the energizing bright setting. So you have all this marble counters and the flooring, 1 sink, and then you have your toilet. And then you have a nice shower. Okay. And then you have a nice big closet. So we store some of our stuff in here. Luggage and items that we bought. Okay, and then here we have a little stay well filter. So it helps purify the air, which is really nice. And then we have right here the bed. So stay well at MGM Grand. So it's a very firm mattress and pillows. We've been getting a nice rest. Well, we've been sleeping a little late, but you know, the bed is very comfortable. And then we have our little TV area where we just put some of our drinks, and then a nice big TV. Here's some drawers. You can open it up, and then we put our snacks here. And then here's the mini fridge, but these are the items that you'll get charged for if you take out any of the items in there. And then we have a desk, 2 chairs, and then that's the door for the conjoining room. And then here's our view. So we are on the 16th floor, and we have the view of Excalibur, New York, New York, and then some of the mountains in the back. But we have 2 shades. So this is like a semi sheer white shade, and then the back is a blackout shade if you want total darkness while sleeping. But this is it. This is our room. And last time I stayed here, I was really young, but yeah. And there he is getting ice. Hi, so I forgot to end the video, but I just want to let you guys know that if you have MGM rewards and a gold status, there's a separate entrance on the right side of the lobby where you can check in. And if you can see that little table with the mini refrigerator, there's bottles of water and snacks, and you can go to this lounge any time of the day and get free snacks and water. So just a little tip if you didn't know, but thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.